In here I've started my peppers and tomatoes. This, I believe, is a purple bell pepper in a deep water culture system. I think this is a purple or a green bell pepper. We've got a couple tomatoes already. These I'm starting on the Kratky hydroponics with no running electricity, no air being put into the reservoirs. Right here we've got jalapeno on the left. H is Hungarian wax. Corno is the third one, which is a Mexican chili. We've got some green chili. And the other writing is SM is San Marzano tomato. So that'll be these first two. Then we've got Faradelli, and the Marion tomato. Another quick look, just at some of the peppers I'm working with. That's supposed to be mustard greens, but it wasn't. Hungarian wax, purple bell pepper, banana pepper, purple bell, banana, New Mexico red chili, more New Mexico red, New Mexico green. I wanted to see jalapeno. So basically I wanted to have a couple of these in outdoor hydroponics, so I'm just getting them started early, and the rest of these will be planted out into the garden once it's warm enough. And of course a little basil. Can't have tomatoes without basil. These are about 2-3 weeks old, and I'll be giving them their actual first dose of legit food here pretty quickly. Just a couple seeds per pot, because you don't know what'll sprout and what won't. So I'll get these outside by probably late April. This is my hydroponic violet sparkle pepper plant. There we go. It's called violet sparkle because these peppers turn purple, completely deep purple, which is awesome. We already have pollination happening. This was originally a deep water culture system with an air stone, but in the last week I took out the air stone and converted this to a Kratky system. So the roots are a little brown, dealing with the oxygen issue, but if you look at the little white hairs on these roots, those are the air roots forming. So all in all, it doesn't look too bad, but in the next week those will be nice and white roots. This is how we keep the plants growing during the colder times. They get brought out here in the morning when it's bright. Batch of seedlings. Some little bit older cucumbers. Some new cucumbers. We got the violet sparkle pepper back there. That's what we just pulled two off of. We got our hydroponic tomatoes and our watermelons for the summer. So this is where they hang out, in a nice, comfortable, hot environment. And then around sundown I bring them inside because it gets too cold.